Welcome to the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. The Elevation truck is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Elevation, power windows, locks, and mirrors. Drivability dial, push button 404 and automatic headlights and fog lights. A leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. Column shifter, push button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto both in there. Dual zone climate control with heated front seats. Integrated Gillette braking system. All black interior with Bose audio. And our heated cloth elevation seats up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the 2020 Sierra Elevation. We have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Trail Runner AT tires. Color matched door handles. We have the Elevation packaged running boards as well. 5.3-liter V8 plaque on the front fender. Coming to the front of the truck, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, color matched front bumper and grille with the black tri-bar, LED fog lights, as well as parking sensors up front. Making our way back down the side, we have rear tinted privacy windows on the crew cab, X31 off-road package. You get the color matched rear bumper, upgraded suspension, and dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, and a an enthused tri-fold bed cover. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.